Hey class, welcome to your semester review. This is Unit 2 of your conic sections. We're going to cover conic sections, which is everything that has related to a circle, parabola, hyperbola, and your ellipses. Okay. Number 1, classify each as which conic section it is, then sketch the graph. So if you look at number 1, you notice how this is a plus sign, and it's a plus. You got an x minus 1 square over 36 plus y minus 1 square over 9 equals 1. This tells you that this is an ellipse. So let's go ahead and graph our ellipse. Your center is 1 and 1. It is always the opposite according to the formula. Okay? So you're going to go to 1 and 1. Your x value, you take a square root of 36, which comes out to be 6. So you're going to go left 6. This is your x. X goes left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're going to go to the right 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because it's actually plus or minus 6. Let me write that correctly. Okay? For your y, it is square root of 9. Square root of 9 is plus or minus 3. So plus 1, 2, 3, up 3, down 3. 1, 2, 3. And there you have a shape of an ellipse. Layman's term, it's an oval. So try to make it as best as you can. Okay? There's number 1. Number 2, notice that you have a radius here. Here's your x minus 2. There's not a number in your denominator. So this is a circle. Okay? So your circle, your center of your circle is 2 and negative 2. It's always the opposite with a radius square root of 25, which comes out to be plus or minus 5. So we're going to go to 2, negative 2. So there's your center. Your radius, plus or minus 5. Now, center of radius is the same all around, so I'm going to go to the left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to go up and down 5 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you have your circle. I bet your circle will look a lot better than mine. Next page. Let's go to number 3. Okay? In number 3, you have a minus right here, and a minus is a hyperbola. So your center, if you'll look, the x comes first. Your x is a 0, and your y is a 3. There's your center. Your x value is square root of 16. Notice it's under x, so square root of 16 is plus or minus 4. Your y is square root of 4, which is plus or minus 2. So let's go to our center, 0, 3. Okay? There's a few things you have to do here first. Now, if you'll look, your x is plus or minus 4, so x goes left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is up 2. Y is down 2. You're going to draw yourself a box, a rectangle, math term. Okay? And a hyperbola, because it's a negative, it opens away. And so now we're going to draw our diagonals to help us graph corner to corner. And I'm going to draw mine really light, just so you guys can see. Go. Now, if you notice, the y comes first. Since the y comes first, it's going to open away, it's going to cross the y-axis. Okay. So it's going to go like this. So there's your vertex. And I bet yours can make it look so much better than mine. And there you have your hyperbola, opening away. okay, along the y-axis. All right, number 4. Now, if you notice, this is a parabola. Oop, I forgot to write this one. Number 3 is a hyperbola. Okay. For your number 4, this is a parabola. And parabola looks like a U shape. All right. Now, there's a 0 here. Okay? The way to do this is you can actually just use your calculator, but you can actually put this in a vertex form. This is a semester test, so we're going to use your calculator. All right, here we go. Go to your calculator. Let me see where I can find the best screen. Here we go. This will work. Go to y equal. Type in x squared plus 2x, second graph. Okay? You know you're going to open up because this is positive. Y-intercept is at 0. All right. So let's see. -4 and 8 just kind of get you a shape. -3 and +3. -2 and 0. Okay. Keep going. -1 and 1. See how you're starting to get the shape? 0, 0. Oh, look, you're starting to go back up. 1, 3. 2, 3. Wait a minute. 2, 8. My apologies. Okay. All right. There you go. And I have my parabola. Okay. Now, you could have also done this to get your vertex. X equals -b over 2a. Your b is 2. -2 over 2 times a, which is 1, and that tells you that is -1. See that? That tells you there's your vertex. And then you can plug it back in. This would be the work that's required. So -1 squared plus 2 times -1. And we need to find out what that equals to, and that equals to be a -1. There you go. So your vertex would be -1, -1. Or you can use your calculator. All right. We will continue in a moment.